Assalamu alaikum. And welcome to Tech Talks, where five software engineering students try to decode the world of tech, one topic at a time. I am Huzaifa Asif, and joining me are my awesome teammates Arsalan, Muiz, Huzaifa Abdul Rahman, and Huzaifa Rahman. Let's hear from them.
Today we are diving into the classic tech debates, Linux versus Windows. Which one's better? Which one should you be using? We'll break it all down, pros, cons, and some stories of our own experience.
Quick spoiler, there is no single winner, but stick with us and you might figure out which side you're on.
Alright, let's start with some nostalgia. What's your first operating system, Arslan?
Bro, Windows XP, that green field, that startup sound, it engraved in my memory.
Same here, but once I got into software development, I tried Ubuntu, and honestly, it felt like stepping into a secret tech world.
Yeah, Windows is super friendly, but Linux gives you that I'm a hacker feeling, even if you're just typing in the terminal.
Let us compare the user experience. Windows is built for ease. It's smooth, GUI friendly and compatible with everything.
That's true, but Linux has caught up big time. Distros like Pop OS or Mint are user friendly and super customizable.
Plus, Linux runs better on older machines. Windows need more RAM just to open Chrome with 3 tabs.
Since we are software engineering students, let's talk coding. If you're into Python, JavaScript, or C++, Linux gives you a powerful and clean dev environment.
Especially the terminal, apt, snap, or DNF. Installing stuff is a breeze.
To be fair, Windows is catching up. WSL or Windows subsystem for Linux is a game changer. You can run Bash right inside of Windows.
But nothing beats coding in Vim until you get stuck and Google how to exit Vim.
Been there, pressed every key except the right one.
Let's talk about security. Linux has a great reputation here.
Yup, few OS's better permissions, and since it's open source, vulnerabilities are spotted and fixed quickly.
Windows, being the most used OS, gets targeted more. Plus automatic restarts during updates, that's criminal.
Imagine debugging your code and suddenly proof, system restarting, pure pain.
Right, let's be honest, Windows rules in gaming. Most games are made for Windows and support on Linux is still catching up.
Steam is doing a good job with Proton though. But yeah, gamers are better off with Windows for now.
Same, the apps like Photoshop or MS Office, they either don't work natively on Linux or aren't fully supported.
So, what's the final verdict?
Windows is great for beginners, casual users and gamers.
Linux is for devs and those who love control.
Exactly, it's not about choosing sides, it's about knowing your tools. As future engineers, we should be fluent in both.
And that wraps up today's episode of Tech Talks. If you found these useful or just had fun geeking out with us, share it with your classmates and coding buddies. Take care and happy coding.
Allah Hafiz everyone.